So we've decided to come back to the spot from yesterday, and we've got some people magnet fishing. Hopefully they can clear some of this. I want them to take those trolleys. That would be nice of them, wouldn't it? Instead of just doing down that end, they come and sort. Oh, one of them is actually doing a trolley near it, trying it. So anyway, well, we got fishing gear back and we're doing it. The same crayfish, and we're going to try and get some better fish. First cast out.
Right in the pocket of joy.
You got one?
Something is on that.
Probably.
Had to go at that. Look at that.
Look at that.
That is a nice bit of tacker.
Nice brown trout. Holy yes.
Open your hand, well, you can't miss it.
That's it.
And that's Booker's dinner, that is. It's gonna cook it right now. Go on, let me see.
Nice brown trout. It's got eggs. It's got eggs.
Where? One of them is mouth, bro.
What's that?
Oh yeah. I want to eat it. No.
I want to catch it again. Oh, he's got a good time. Shit. Trout eggs.
Just go back.
Yeah, we're gonna have to go back in. Damn it. Hopefully she finds him.
From the bottom because it's more aerated, isn't it? Not that I know what I'm talking about, but I feel like that's a wise move.
So these are trout eggs. It's getting late, and and the captain is full tuned.
What kids?
Would you have eaten the fish, Captain? Would you have eaten that huge fish?
Yeah.
Yeah, it was a big old female. It was.
Big old box it was.
It was a female.
It was a female with eggs in her mouth. We've just packed up and it's the end of the video. Say goodbye, Captain.
Michael Jackson, Big Tat. This one went from like